If a dataset contains outliers, the mean will be more representative of the central tendency than the median. The mean absolute deviation, MAD, measures the average spread of data points around the mean, ignoring the direction of the deviation. A high standard deviation indicates that data points closely cluster around the mean. In a dataset, the median must always be one of the actual data points. The mean and median are equally affected by extremely high or low values in the dataset. It's possible for two datasets with different distributions to have the same mean. The standard deviation can never be a negative number. Sorting data is unnecessary when calculating the mean but is required for finding the median. The standard deviation is used to describe the variability within a dataset, while the mean absolute deviation is not. Practical exercises involving the calculation of the median can help illustrate the impact of outliers on measures of central tendency.